Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off-Axis Builds. We got another exciting video here. Monday Meetup Virtual Car Show. In this video we're going to have Type 3s. So check it out. We got a lot of Carmagias, got a lot of squarebacks, a few notchbacks. So some cool vehicles in there, guys. Check it out, and also check out the last few videos I've had on virtual car shows. And remember guys to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. Alright guys, enjoy.